The Milwaukee M18 Brushless Telescoping Pole. Pruning shears offer power and versatility for cutting branches up to 1 3/4 inches in diameter. Equipped with a durable brushless motor, they provide up to 2,000 cuts per charge on 1-inch branches. The pole extends from 7 to 10 feet, offering extended reach for high branches. With a cutting capacity for large branches, these shears are built for tough jobs. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, making them suitable for long pruning sessions. The Milwaukee Safety Helmet Impact Armor is a high-impact helmet designed to protect workers from head injuries. It features a durable outer shell, an impact-absorbing inner liner, and a secure chin strap. The helmet is ventilated to enhance comfort and has an adjustable fit for various head sizes. Known for its reliability, it's widely used in construction, manufacturing, and oil and gas industries. Ideal for both professional and recreational use, this helmet provides excellent safety and comfort for strenuous activities. The Milwaukee MX Fuel 24 in Walk Behind Edging Trowel Kit is a cordless, battery-powered tool made for finishing concrete edges with powerful performance and user-friendly features. It delivers 5 horsepower, ensuring smooth, balanced finishing and up to 35 minutes of runtime per charge. Key highlights include a precise blade pitch adjustment for fine control, adjustable handlebar height for comfort, and a durable build for lasting use. The kit includes 2 MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge HD12, 0 batteries, and a Supercharger, backed by a 2-year equipment and battery warranty. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Telescoping pole saw is a high-performance tool ideal for tree and shrub maintenance, featuring a 2.3 horsepower brushless motor for efficient cutting. Its telescoping shaft extends from 7 to 13 feet, providing excellent reach and flexibility, while the 25 meters per second chain speed ensures fast and effective cuts. The lightweight magnesium cutting head and branch hook aid in easy handling, reducing fatigue. With an automatic oiler for consistent lubrication and a compact design for easy storage, this saw is both powerful and user-friendly for various trimming tasks. The Milwaukee 18-volt cordless string trimmer with Quik-LOK is a powerful tool designed for both professional and home use. With a brushless motor delivering up to 6,200 revolutions per minute and a 9.0 ampere-hour battery, it efficiently handles tough grass and weeds. The Quik-LOK attachment system adds versatility, allowing quick changes between attachments like an edger or pole saw. Built with RedLink Plus intelligence, it resists overloads and overheating, ensuring durability. Its balanced design and 16-inch cutting swath make for comfortable, efficient trimming, backed by a 5-year warranty for added peace of mind. The Milwaukee Dual Battery Backpack Blower is a powerful cordless leaf blower designed for professional use. It provides a blowing force comparable to a 60 cubic centimeter gas blower, making it ideal for clearing wet leaves. The blower reaches full throttle in under 1 second, enhancing productivity. With an adjustable battery configuration, users can customize weight and runtime to suit their needs. Its comfortable design features an adjustable harness and a low noise level of just 62 decibels. Fully compatible with the M18 system, it supports over 250 solutions for various applications. The Milwaukee 18 V16 gauge straight finish nailer is a versatile tool ideal for woodworking and construction projects. It drives 16 gauge straight finish nails ranging from 1 inch to 2.5 inches, perfect for applications like cabinet making and trim installation. This cordless nailer offers mobility without the hassle of cords or compressors, featuring a powerful brushless motor for rapid and consistent nail driving. Its durable construction withstands job site conditions, while tool-free depth adjustment and a jam-resistant design ensure precise control. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use. The Milwaukee M12 Brushless 2-inch planer is a powerful and compact tool designed for planing and scribing in soft and hardwoods. It can remove up to 5/32 of an inch in a single pass, making it efficient for various applications. The dual-sided shavings port enhances productivity by allowing users to direct shavings to either side of the tool. Featuring a 2-inch wide shoe and a cutter head with 2 blades, it operates at 14,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring a smooth surface finish. With 21 depth settings ranging from 0 to 5/32 of an inch, it allows for precise cuts. Additionally, the lockable kickstand provides convenient storage without interfering with the workpiece. The Milwaukee MX fuel pipe threading machine is a cordless tool designed for efficiency and portability. Powered by MX fuel red lithium batteries, it eliminates the need for power outlets, allowing for versatile use on the job site. The spring-assisted cart makes setup and teardown easy, enhancing mobility. Its micro-adjust knob ensures consistent thread quality for precision threading and grooving tasks. Quick tool changes are facilitated without the need for additional adapters. Overall, this machine significantly boosts productivity for professionals in the field. Milwaukee Packout XL Heavy-Duty Toolbox is a robust storage solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Constructed from impact-resistant polymer, it's designed to withstand tough job site conditions. The metal-reinforced corners offer added protection against impacts, while the IP65-rated weather seal shields tools from rain and debris. With a weight capacity of 100 pounds, it can handle heavy loads. The modular connectivity allows integration with other Packout system components, enhancing customization. Additionally, an interior organization tray keeps tools neatly arranged, making it a reliable choice for effective tool storage. The Milwaukee Power 3300R Roll-On 2.5 kWh power supply is a powerful portable power station. It provides 7,200 watts of starting power and 3,600 watts of running power, making it suitable for demanding tools and devices. The integrated red lithium 2.5 kilowatt-hour battery ensures extended run times for continuous use. With multiple outlets, including 2 20-amp GFCI duplex outlets and USB ports, it allows for simultaneous device charging. Its durable design features an IP54 rating for water and dust resistance, along with all-terrain wheels for easy transport. Additionally, One Key technology enables efficient tracking and management of the power supply. The Milwaukee Core Rig with Stand is a powerful and versatile tool designed for coring through concrete and other hard materials, featuring a robust motor that easily handles tough jobs like reinforced concrete. Its intuitive design and modular components ensure straightforward setup and operation, while the MX fuel battery system offers cordless convenience, allowing you to work anywhere without the hassle of cords. Built for durability, this tool is constructed to withstand the rigors of professional use, making it an essential addition to any contractor's toolkit. The M18 and M12 Super Charger is a high-speed charger designed for Milwaukee Tool's M18 and M12 battery systems. It charges batteries up to 4 times faster than standard Milwaukee chargers, significantly reducing downtime. Compatible with all M18 and M12 batteries, it offers versatile charging solutions for both systems. The charger is optimized for high-output batteries, charging the HD12 in just 1 hour. Sequential charging allows it to automatically charge the second battery after the first is fully charged. With an 80% charge indicator, it visually signals when batteries are nearly ready, making it an essential tool for maximizing productivity. The Milwaukee 18V High Torque Impact Wrench delivers up to 1,200 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,600 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. Its compact design, measuring just 7.6 inches in length, allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. Built with a durable metal gear housing, it is engineered for long-lasting reliability in professional settings. The 4-mode drive control offers adjustable speed and power settings for various tasks. Integrated LED lights enhance visibility in low-light conditions. This tool is ideal for demanding applications such as automotive work and construction. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Wringer Roll Groover is the industry's first cordless roll groover, designed for efficient on-site grooving of 1¼ inches to 4 inches for Schedule 10 and 40 pipes, as well as 6 inches for Schedule 10 pipes. It offers fast setup and easy transportation, allowing operators to work conveniently without cords. Powered by M18 fuel, It can complete up to 25 grooves on 3-inch Schedule 40 pipes using 2 Forge XC8 0 batteries. The intuitive groove controls let users select pipe material, size, and schedule for precise groove depth adjustments. Its design eliminates ratcheting and cranking, enabling hands-free operation. The Ringer optimizes productivity and efficiency for sprinkler and pipe fitters. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.